Hello, I am proud to be an IITian. I am an alumnus of IIT Madras, BTech Mechanical 1980-85. Yes, I am the member of the batch which was the last 5-year batch to have joined IIT in 1980. How many students appeared for JEE in 1980? I couldn't find the answer on Google search. Only thing I know that 5 IITs combined had 1250 seats where computer science was not an option. People often ask me what is the difference between IIT now and IIT then, 40 years back. The first difference, as I mentioned, computer science was not an option. Currently, however, I find most of the youngsters want to get into computer science or IT. Maybe because of the attractive job opportunities after that. Not too many people aspire to get into branches like mechanical, chemical, civil. It's not that they don't accept them if they are getting it in IIT, but that's not a first choice. In 2019, if I look at statistics, nearly 1 million students appeared for JEE. And within 16 IITs, there was a combined seat of roughly around 13,500. Is competition stiffer? I don't know. Yes, definitely more number of people are appearing for JEE. But if you look at the ratio, I don't think it has changed much over this 40 years. So what has changed? I remember when we took coaching for IIT JEE entrance, we used to receive coaching through the post and telegraph system of our country. We used to solve the papers, send them back, and we will get the feedback from the tutors who would be in big towns. Now technology has changed lives. However, what has not changed is what IIT tests in order to find a candidate suitable to get admitted to IIT. And that is fundamentals of the knowledge and the application of the same in the test paper. If you are looking for a coaching class to guide you for IIT JEE coaching, look for a class where you are treated as an individual and not as one more amongst many. My fundamental belief is that all those who aspire to get into IIT are basically interested in academics and believe in their abilities to solve problems in physics, mathematics and chemistry. So there's not much to choose between candidates. Finally, those who will qualify are those who can apply the learning, and that can only be possible if you have clarity about the subject from the basic fundamental principles. This has not changed in 40 years. What are the other qualities that you need to become successful in IIT JEE? I'll mention one and maybe some more in the next video that I record. Remember, scoring a percentage in your board exams gives you a place of pride. It's an absolute ranking. But in IIT JEE, it does not matter. What matters is how many people have got a score which is lower than yours. And therefore, what you need to look at is sharpening your, what I call, competitiveness. How do you sharpen your competitiveness? There are many aspects to it. That would be a part of some other video which I'll record for you. Hope you have enjoyed this one. Take care and all the best.